थोड़ी देर शांति से बैठो क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने भी क्लास जल्दी ज्वाइन कर ली है, ठीक है?
मैम मैं सबसे पहले स्टोरी सुना सकता हूँ?
मैम मैं सुना सकती हूँ।
मैं सोचती हूँ मेरी जिसको इच्छा होगी मैं उसको मौका दूंगी।
मैम
तो ये लोग ज्वाइन क्यों नहीं किए बेटा आज क्लास? इतने कम लोग क्यों दिख रहे हैं मुझे?
ओनली 8।
क्या हुआ? वही तो मैं देख रही हूँ बेटा, बाकी लोग आए
ओनली
क्यों
8
नहीं?
9 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर।
आई कैन सी दैट। है कहाँ बाकी के सब लोग?
मैम डोंट नो।
पिछली क्लास में कितने लोग थे?
मैम पिछली में भी 13-14 ही होंगे, 13
मैम
14।
मैम 15 to 18।
साई राम बेटा, ये तो बहुत गलत बात है बेटा। ये ऐसे थोड़ी हमारा काम चलेगा अगर आप लोग क्लास में ही नहीं आओगे। ओनली 10।
मैम मैं तो 5 मिनट पहले ही ज्वाइन कर लेता हूँ मैम हर क्लास में।
16 के आसपास
मैं
ही
भी।
आते हैं क्योंकि मैम
ठीक है
32 के
ठीक है
30
ठीक है
के
ठीक है,
पेपर में
शांति
ही आते हैं।
शांति 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 शांति। मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ, मेरी सुनोगे? ठीक है, इधर शुरू करते हैं हम लोग स्टोरी टेलिंग। गौरिक।
ओके मैम।
हाँ बेटा सुनो।
Ramayan story. Dasharatha is the son of Kal and a descendant of Raghu and Dilipa. He is the king of Ayodhya and has three wives, Kaushalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi. Kaushalya gave birth to the Ram, Dasharatha's eldest son. Sumitra gave birth to Lakshmana and Shatrughan. Kaikeyi gave birth to Bharat. The four sons grown up into fine young men are touted by the greatest Rishi, including Vasishtha, the Rajguru. Ram married Sita, the daughter of Janam, the king of Veda. In legend, Sita is said to be a daughter of Bhudevi or Mother Earth. Janam is said to have found her while carrying one Ram. comes of labor to entire and the hand over of or Ram the arrangement came. Everyone look forward to this and accept mantra and hold on to reading the life of going. These should be the difference in code and mistakes and cheap plans like unless Bharat is made king in Ram had taken the hypothetical and these words and decided to use two wounds. She does not to get what she wants. Hillary had one life in battle as he carried and he had lifted her wounds to our planet. She is still this wound just to take Bharat king and banish Ram for 40 years into the forest. She is a heartbroken and having given up his world has no choice. Ram Sahar leaves Ayodhya and heads into the forest. Sita and Lakshman accompany him, refusing to be parted from his company. In the forest, the three meet.
क्या हुआ गौरव? आवाज नहीं आ रही थी।
गौरव बेटा आवाज आना बंद हो गई तुम्हारी। उसका नेटवर्क इशू होगा, कोई बात नहीं, वापस आ जाएगा।
मैम मैं सुनाऊं अतिशय जैन?
मैम मैं सुनाऊं आयुष्मान?
अभी गौरव की खत्म नहीं हुई ना, बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा, और टाइम से आया करो वैशाली क्लास में।
मैम उसका तो लेफ्ट भी हो गया।
अरे तो आ जाएगा ना वापस, कुछ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगी उसको। थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं, नहीं तो फिर किसी और को चांस देंगे। ठीक है, अक्षत तुम सुनाओ।
मैम मैं
अक्षत किसका नाम है? जिसका नाम अक्षत है वो सुनाएगा।
मैम 2 मिनट।
ठीक है,
मैम 2 मिनट मैम आपके।
ठीक है आरुष, तब तक तुम सुनाओ।
The story of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma, the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. After passing metric examination, he went to England for higher studies. He do LLB in England. Social life of Mahatma Gandhi started in South Africa. In South Africa, he faced many hurdles like people of South Africa, white in color, he does not prefer black people. One day, he was traveling in first compartment, but there was a white man who was also booked the compartment. He was discriminated in the compartment. Then he fought against the treatment. Gandhi ji returned India and took part in freedom fight. He started non-cooperation movement in 1930 and Quit India movement in 1942. He became famous for father of nation. Lastly, India got freedom in 1947. On 13 January 1948, he was killed by Nathuram Godse. Completed.
Ma'am, may I?
ओके
मैम मैं आए
ठीक है। अक्षत अक्षत
सचैन
अक्षत अक्षत बोलो ना मैंने अक्षत।
Manikarnika was married to the Maharaja of Jhansi, Gangodhar Rao Newalkar, in May 1842 and was afterwards called Lakshmi Bai in honor of Hindu goddess Lakshmi and according to Maharashtrian tradition of woman being given a new name after marriage. In September 1851, she gave birth to a baby, later named Damodar Rao, who died 4 months after birth. The Maharaja adopted a child called Anand Rao, and the son Gangodhar Rao's cousin, who was renamed Damodar Rao on the day before the Maharaja died. The adoption was in the presence of the British political officer was who was given a letter from the Maharaja instructing that the child be treated with respect and that the government of Jhansi should be given to his widow for her lifetime. After the death of the Maharaja in November 1853, because of Damodar Rao born Anand Rao was an adopted son. The British East India Company, under the Governor General Lord Dalhousie, applied the doctrine of lapse rejection Damodar Rao's claim to the throne and annexing the state to its territories. When she was informed of this, she cried out, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. I shall not surrender my Jhansi. In March 1854, Rani Lakshmi Bai was given an annual pension of rupees 60,000 and ordered to leave the palace and the fort. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, may I, Devansh?
अरे रुक जाओ गौरिक बेटा तुम बीच में क्लास छोड़ के चले गए थे। कम बैक स्टोरी में वापस आओ।
मैम उसने फिर से
I was trying to find your number to call you. अरे यार ये फिर चला गया।
Ma'am, can I call Gorick?
छोड़ो रहने दो, आ जाएगा। मैं भी देख ही रही थी पर चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं।
मैम, may I give you the number of Gaurav?
रुक जा बेटा थोड़ा सा रुक जा। लेट मी सी हु एल्स इज इन द क्लास। चलो देवांश गो अहेड।
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
देवांश तुम तो सुना चुके हो। अच्छा तुम्हें फिर से सुनानी है? रुक जा। नहीं, अभी रुक जाओ। पहले सबको एक चांस मिलेगा, उसके बाद रिपीट करेंगे अपन। कौन बचा है और? 1 मिनट। और क्लास में कौन है मुझे दिखाओ। अक्षत ने अभी बोल दिया राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
अखिल है क्या?
Yes, ma'am. अकेले
हाँ बेटा। यस अखिल गो अहेड स्टोरी सुनाइए आप अपनी। अखिल, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
मैम गौरिक ज्वाइन।
गौरिक, बेटा क्या हुआ, तुम बीच मीटिंग में चले गए, बीच तुम्हारी स्टोरी बीच में ही रुक गई।
मैम वो नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है मैम, मैं अगली क्लास में सुना दूंगा।
ठीक है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं। यस हिमांशु, गो अहेड।
यस
अखिल,
मैम।
अगर तुम नहीं सुनाओगे मैं तुम्हें 0 दे दूंगी, क्योंकि तुम मुझे दिख रहे हो कि क्लास में बैठे हो। यस हिमांशु।
Charles Mason, the British soldier. In 1829, one of the most spectacular discoveries of all time was made in unlikeliest of ways. Charles Mason, a British soldier with a dodgy reputation, he had deserted his army camp in Agra in 1827, had run off again, leaving his colleagues who were wrought Afghanistan while on the road. Mason found himself near the small town of Sahiwal in Punjab, now in Pakistan, and was astonished by what he saw. He was looking at large exposed brick structure, which he believed were the remains of a great city left behind by Alexander 2000 years earlier. Only they were not. What Mason had found was Harappa. Mason marveled at the large brick structure and sketched many of them over the years. He went on to find many more historic gems, and what do you know? The army deserter came to be feted as an explorer. Oddly, despite the dramatic nature of Mason's discovery, it was another 25 years before on an archaeologist actually returned to that mound in Sahiwal, and almost a century before the significance of what they had found dawned on the archaeologist community. Ma'am, done.
यस रानी, बेटा योर टर्न, स्टोरी सुनाओ। रानी बेटा, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? बेटा जो लोग मुझे जवाब नहीं देंगे मैं उन्हें 0 दे दूंगी, और स्टोरी टेलिंग में दूसरा चांस नहीं मिलेगा। प्रत्युष्म, स्टोरी सुनाओगे? और कोई बचा है क्या क्लास में गौरिक के अलावा जिसने स्टोरी नहीं सुनाई, और जो क्लास में भी है?
यस मैम। भाव्य।
कौन?
मैम अखिल।
मैम
मैम
भाव्य।
सरस्वती।
अखिल तो नहीं सुना रहा है, मैं उसे 0 दे रही हूँ।
मैम
मैम
भाभी।
सरस्वती।
मैं बेटा मैंने
मैम
मुझे
प्रत्युष।
नंबर आपको मुझसे लेने हैं, मुझे आपको नंबर नहीं देने हैं। देवांशी, क्लास का टाइम क्या होता है? क्लास का कुछ टाइम है कि आप कभी भी आके ज्वाइन कर लेंगी? कैन यू हियर मी देवांशी?
मैम वो हर बार अटेंडेंस के टाइम पे आती है जब आप लोग अटेंडेंस लेते हो।
यस मैम। मैम वो किसी मैम का जवाब भी नहीं देती और लेफ्ट कर देती है।
मैम जैसे
बेटा अपने क्लास टीचर को कंप्लेन करिए आप इस बात की, गलत तरीका है, ये कोई तरीका नहीं हुआ।
मैम वो क्लास टीचर ऐसे ही करती है, चिल्लाया।
क्लास टीचर के ध्यान में डालिए, देखते हैं इस चीज को, ये तो गलत बात है। देवांशी को भी मैं 0 दे रही हूँ, क्योंकि उसने क्लास अटेंड करी और उसने मुझे जवाब नहीं दिया। मैं एक बार नाम ले देती हूँ, इनमें से कोई भी अगर क्लास में है तो स्टोरी टेलिंग कर ले। अल्फेज, एंजल, अनुष्का, आशिका, देवेंद्र, धनंजय, हार्दिक, जयवर्धन, मुस्कान, पल्लव, प्रिंस, प्रियतम, पुरुषोत्तम, रिदम, सामर्थ्य, उदय, युवराज।
नो मैम, कोई भी नहीं है।
मैम नो मैम, कोई
मैम
भी
मैं
नहीं।
प्रियतम को बोलूं मैम ज्वाइन करने के लिए?
तुम क्यों बुलाओगे बेटा? मैं तुम्हें किसी पार्टी में थोड़ी बुला रही हूँ कि इनवाइट करना पड़ेगा। क्लास है, क्लास में खुद आना चाहिए, नहीं आएंगे 0 पाएंगे, बात खत्म।
मैम तो आप जिन्हें रिपीट स्टोरी करनी हो ना आया मैम।
1 मिनट रुको बेटा, 1 मिनट रुको। चलो आज तुम्हारी पसंद की एक चीज दिखाती हूँ मैं। द हिस्ट्री ऑफ चॉकलेट।
मैम, मैम मेरी बारी नहीं हुई, दोबारा वाली।
दोबारा वाली
मैम
नहीं
एक को
हुई? चल
सुना
ठीक है,
देंगे।
चल ठीक है, सुना दे, पहले तू
मैम
सुना
को
दे।
सुनाओ।
Come on, बेटा।
ठीक है।
ओके मैम। The story of Ashoka. Ashoka, also known as the Ashoka the Great, was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty who ruled almost all of the Indian subcontinent from c. 268 to 232 BCE. The grandson of the founder of the Maurya dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka promoted the spread of Buddhism across ancient Asia, considered by many to be one of India's greatest emperor, Ashoka expanded Chandragupta's empire to reign over a realm stretching from present-day Afghanistan in the west to Bangladesh in the east. It covered the entire Indian subcontinent except for past parts of present-day Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. The empire's capital was Patliputra in Magad, present-day Patna, with provincial capitals at Takshashila and Ujjain. The War of Kalinga. So so when Ashoka was in his 8 years of rule, his wife Devi gave birth to twins Prince Mahendra and Princess Sangmitra. He also learned that one of his brothers was hiding in Kalinga. Ashoka was outraged that any place would aid his brother. He also launched a full invasion of the province. In the fighting, thousands of people were killed and large areas of lands were ravaged. After the battle, Ashoka decided to look over the destruction. The place that he had once been exiled now lay in utter collapse, with houses burned down and many bodies still unburied. It was said that this was the first time that Ashoka saw the direct impact of the war. According to the legend, upon seeing the utter devastation, he said, "What have I done?" For the rest of his life, he would not forget the horror that he saw on this day. Thank you.
अब मैं सुनाऊं अतिशय जैन।
आतिश बेटा, तुम तो सुना चुके हो ना?
मैम रिपीट चांस।
क्यों? अच्छी तो सुनाई थी।
मैम मैं फिर
नहीं नहीं, बाद में कभी, बाद में कभी। चलो, आई जस्ट शो यू अ
2 मिनट।
स्टोरी, हिस्ट्री ऑफ चॉकलेट। अगली क्लास में अगर मान लो कोई और नहीं आता है जिसको स्टोरी टेलिंग करनी है, तो हम कोर्स आगे बढ़ा देंगे।
मैम मैंने आपका प्रोजेक्ट भेज दिया। मैम आपके
बेटा
पास ईमेल आ गया?
मैं ना अभी चेक नहीं कर पाई हूँ, आई एम बिजी विद समथिंग एल्स, पर आपने भेज दिया है तो अच्छी बात है।
मैम मेरा आ गया आपके पास।
अब चुप रहो, वीडियो देखो।
If you can't imagine life without chocolate, you're lucky you weren't born before the 16th century. Until then, chocolate only existed in Mesoamerica in a form quite different from what we know. As far back as 1900 BCE, the people of that region had learned to prepare the beans of the native cacao tree. The earliest records tell us the beans.
क्या तकलीफ है बताओ, क्या हुआ?
मैम जो आपके दोनों माइक खुला,
बोलो।
प्रेजेंटेशन और आपका पर्सनल माइक, तो दोनों से इको होकर आवाज आ रही, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
Were ground and mixed with cornmeal and chili peppers to create a drink, not a relaxing cup of hot cocoa, but a bitter, invigorating concoction, frothing with foam. And if you thought we'd make a big deal about chocolate today, the Mesoamericans had us beat. They believed that cacao was a heavenly food gifted to humans by a feathered serpent god, known to the Maya as Kukulkan, and to the Aztecs as Quetzalcoatl. Aztecs used cacao beans as currency and drank chocolate at royal feasts, gave it to soldiers as a reward for success in battle, and used it in rituals. The first transatlantic chocolate encounter occurred in 1519, when Hernán Cortés visited the court of Montezuma at Tenochtitlan. As recorded by Cortés' lieutenant, the king had 50 jugs of the drink brought out and poured into golden cups. When the colonists returned with shipments of the strange new bean, missionaries' salacious accounts of native customs gave it a reputation as an aphrodisiac. At first, its bitter taste made it suitable as a medicine for ailments like upset stomachs. But sweetening it with honey, sugar, or vanilla quickly made chocolate a popular delicacy in the Spanish court. And soon, no aristocratic home was complete without dedicated chocolateware. The fashionable drink was difficult and time-consuming to produce on a large scale. That involved using plantations and imported slave labor in the Caribbean and on islands off the coast of Africa. The world of chocolate would change forever in 1828 with the introduction of the cocoa press by Conrad van Houten of Amsterdam. Van Houten's invention could separate the cocoa's natural fat, or cocoa butter. This left a powder that could be mixed into a drinkable solution or recombined with the cocoa butter to create the solid chocolate we know today. Not long after, a Swiss chocolatier named Daniel Peter added powdered milk to the mix, thus inventing milk chocolate. By the 20th century, chocolate was no longer an elite luxury, but had become a treat for the public. Meeting the massive demand required more cultivation of cocoa, which can only grow near the equator. Now, instead of African slaves being shipped to South American cocoa plantations, cocoa production itself would shift to West Africa, with Côte d'Ivoire providing 2/5 of the world's cocoa as of 2015. Yet, along with the growth of the industry, there have been horrific abuses of human rights. Many of the plantations throughout West Africa, which supply Western companies, use slave and child labor, with an estimation of more than 2 million children affected. This is a complex problem that persists despite efforts from major chocolate companies to partner with African nations to reduce child and indentured labor practices. Today, chocolate has established itself in the rituals of our modern culture due to its colonial association with native cultures. Combined with the power of advertising, chocolate retains an aura of something sensual, decadent, and forbidden. Yet knowing more about its fascinating and often cruel history, as well as its production today, tells us where these associations originate and what they hide. So as you unwrap your next bar of chocolate, take a moment to consider that not everything about chocolate is sweet.
तो दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे। अब अगली क्लास में हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं। सो थैंक यू, साई राम, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Sairam, ma'am.
Sairam and thank you, ma'am.
बाय।
Sarah ma'am, thank you ma'am.